Hello students, I am Dr. Makarand Kulkarni from Department of Electronics Engineering, KJ Somaiya College of Engineering, Vidya Vihar. This is a short video prepared for all first year BTech students who admitted in KJ Somaiya College of Engineering under Somaiya Vidya Vihar University. This video will surely help you to understand the details about honors degree programs. Academic flexibility is one of the key features of Somaiya Vidya Vihar University. Under this feature of academic flexibility, we have designed various honor degree programs for you all. So let us try to understand what is honor degree programs. Honor degree program is nothing but a deep dive in your engineering discipline. This honor degree program going to create an opportunity to acquire deeper and advanced knowledge and skills in an upcoming field in your major engineering discipline, which is going to help you in higher studies and to acquire better job prospectus. Who can apply for this honor degree program? Students who enrolled in Somaiya Vidya Vihar University programs for their major engineering disciplines. How many extra credits you can earn? 20 extra credits you can earn after successful completion of honor degree program. For how many honor degree programs a student can apply? Any one program which comes under the category of either minor or honors degree program you can apply. So any one. So let us focus on honors degree program offered by Department of Electronics Engineering. There are 4 honors degree program. One is IoT and automation, then sensors, actuator and industrial automation, power electronics and industrial drives, and the 4th one is AI, computer vision and robotics. So let me navigate you on our KJ Somaiya Engineering College website, and I will show you how exactly you can search the details about all the various honor degree programs offered by Department of Electronics Engineering. If you see this web page, under the program tab, if you see in the bachelor subcategory, there are 4 different honor programs you can observe over here. If you click on any one, say this first one, honors in AI, computer vision and robotics. So these are various objectives given over here. These are the learning outcomes, like at a successful completion of this honor program, students will be able to apply core concept of AI, computer vision and robotics to real world problem. Also, students will be able to explore advanced computer vision and machine learning approaches for industrial applications. Like this web page gives you the details about eligibility criteria, assessment method, and on the right hand side, you can see various courses are listed over here, which are going to cover under this honors degree program on AI, computer vision and robotics. Let us move for the second honor degree program, which is on IoT and automation, offered by Electronics Engineering Department. Similarly, there are different objectives listed over here. There are various learning outcomes, which says by using this particular honor degree program, student can understand basic concepts on IoT, smart factory. Also, student will be able to develop industrial applications using PLC, SCADA, etc. This honor degree program, there are eligibility criteria, various assessment methods are also listed, like test, mini projects, laboratory, presentation, video making, quiz, study of research papers, etc. And these are the list of courses mentioned over here, which comes under the honor degree program on IoT and automation. If you move for the next honor degree program, that is in power electronics and industrial drives. This power electronics and industrial drives, these are all various objectives of this particular program. Learning outcomes are also mentioned on this web page, along with eligibility criteria, various assessment methods, and on the right side, you will see the list of courses mentioned which are going to cover under this honor degree program on power electronics and industrial drives. Let us move for the fourth honor degree program, which is in sensors, actuators, and industrial instrumentation, which is offered by Electronics Engineering Department. These are various objectives are listed here, learning outcomes, eligibility criteria, assessment methods, and again on the right hand side of this web page, there are list of courses mentioned which are covered in this particular honors degree program on sensors, actuators, and industrial instrumentations. So like this, these are the four different honor degree program offered by electronics engineering. So for any query regarding this type of minor degree program or honor degree program, please contact to our head of the department, Dr. Jagannath Nirmal. This is the mail ID given to you, or you can directly contact to me, because I am coordinator of minors and honor degree program. My email ID and mobile number is given over here. Please free to contact. Thank you and wish you all the best for your bright academic journey in KJ Somaiya College of Engineering. Thank you so much.